As part of an agreement with federal prosecutors in court, Joanne Segovia admitted to illegally importing more than 17,000 opioid pills into the United States while serving as the executive director of the San Jose Police Officers Association. Attorney Adam Gassner spoke outside of the courthouse after his client pleaded guilty to one count of unlawful importation of a controlled substance.
Ms. Segovia, who is a victim of her own addiction, in recovery, is now admitted culpability to all the charges in the charging document, and we're prepared to go to sentencing.
In March of last year, the 20-year veteran of the SJPOA was charged after a Homeland Security investigation revealed her role in a scheme to distribute drugs. Originally, investigators said those drugs included a fentanyl analog, but they have since corrected what they found was an error in testing. Tuesday, prosecutors said she instead had thousands of pills of tapentadol sent to and distributed from her home, ordered on personal and SJPOA computers.
This is not a fentanyl case. It never was a fentanyl case. And we are extremely appreciative that the U.S. Attorney's Office went ahead and clarified the record.
Gassner presented evidence he said proved Segovia ordered the pills to feed an addiction and not for profit. Gassner says he hopes the judge considers Segovia's efforts to recover, lack of criminal history, and other personal factors when deciding her sentence. But legal analyst Stephen Clark says it might not be that simple.
Is there going to be a message sent here that is above and beyond the average citizen because of her position within the police department, and to other people who may want to get involved in this kind of international trafficking? This is not going to be tolerated.
A private investigator hired by the POA compiled a report saying he found no evidence that anyone from the POA was involved in Segovia's crimes. Segovia faces a maximum of 20 years in prison. She will be back in court for sentencing in January 2025. In San Jose, Dustin Dorsey, ABC 7 News.